So when it comes to calculating sales taxes for an e-commerce store, especially out of a high jurisdiction place like New York City, you really have to know what you're doing. And the main reason for that is each county you ship to, just within New York State itself, not even all the states and counties across the country, may have different rates. And this is an example of all the counties just in New York State. And many of the counties have different rates. Not only that, but if we're not just talking about products and e-commerce, talking about services, some services are only taxed at the state level, some only at the county level. So you really need to know what you're doing. Usually use a good software, which we can help implement for you or recommend for you, even work with the software company when it comes to getting those sales taxes right. You don't want to mess around with sales taxes, especially in New York State. Sales taxes pierce the corporate veil. Whether you're an LLC, C Corp, an S Corp, if your business has unpaid sales taxes, they're coming after you personally, and they're not leaving you alone until those are paid. And yeah, people think about bankruptcy. Well, guess what? Bankruptcy doesn't protect you against sales taxes, unpaid sales taxes, especially in New York State. So bottom line is, from day one, you want to be set up properly, you want to register with New York State properly, get that certificate of authority to collect sales taxes, make sure you remit them every quarter, every month, depending on your threshold of sales, and have it calculated correctly and use the right software and use the right accountant, use the right CPA. Falling behind on this stuff never ends up well for anyone, trust me. So if you start to fall behind your sales taxes, you want to just, kind of take a moment, stop what you're doing, speak to the right sales tax lawyer or CPA or sales tax accountant, and just get cleaned up as soon as possible. You can always work out a payment plan or something with the state, but you want to do that sooner than later. The more you fall into that sales tax hole, it really becomes the beginning of the end of your business.